In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide an order from your active purchase history dashboard. If you want to clean up your purchase list and remove an order from the main history view, this is a quick and simple process. Just keep in mind that hiding an order usually removes it from the active screen for easier organization, but it may not permanently delete the transaction from the platform's records. So this is best used when you want a tidier dashboard and easier navigation. To begin, open your active purchase history dashboard. This is the section where your recent and past orders are listed, and it gives you an overview of your purchases in one place. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you start, especially if you manage more than one profile or have shared device access. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to let the page fully load so all order details and menu options appear correctly. Next, locate the specific order you want to remove from your active history screen. Depending on how many purchases you have, you may need to scroll through the list to find the right one. It helps to look carefully at the item name, order date, or any visible order details so you select the correct purchase. This is important because once the order is hidden, it will no longer appear in the main active list, which can make it harder to find at a glance later. After you found the correct order, look for the More Actions drop-down menu next to the item text. This menu typically contains additional options related to that order. Click on it to open the list of available actions. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're selecting the menu connected to the correct item, since each order may have its own separate action menu. From the drop-down list, select Hide Order. Once you click this option, the order will be cleared from your active history screen. In most cases, the update happens right away, so the item should disappear from the current list almost instantly. If it doesn't, try refreshing the page or waiting a few seconds for the system to update. That's all it takes. By hiding orders you no longer want displayed, you can keep your purchase history dashboard more organized and easier to review. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process again anytime you want to clear additional orders from your active purchase history.